What's up, man? Gang, it's your girl Monique, and we are back this week. We're gonna be putting up those stands that I showed y'all in my last week video. Now I'm not gonna show me doing all three, but I'm just gonna show me one, and then I'm gonna show y'all the outcome of it. Hope you enjoy my video.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look.
Alright, so Money Gang, last week I did show y'all two of the stands that I was using to create my table. This week I'm going to show y'all me making one of the stands. I didn't want to film me making all three of them. I did make put two 6-cube stands together and then one that had 9 cubes together to go in the middle of the table. So this week I'm going to go ahead and show y'all how I put the stand together. I'm going to try to make the video as quick as possible, so y'all can go ahead and get back to what y'all doing. I know it's the holidays, enjoying your family and everything. But please make sure before you go to click that like bell and that subscribe button, because your girl going to be dropping videos at least every week. And we coming back. Happy holidays. Alright, so right here I'm just showing y'all the other little tools and pieces that came with the box. As you can see in the background, I did go ahead and already separate each piece that came in the box by its letters. Now they did give us more screws in the box than what you would use. You will use all the wood pieces, but I didn't use all the screws, so I was kind of happy about that. This is the hammer I use, and y'all look at my drill. Ain't it cute? I bought this drill off Amazon, and y'all know I will leave y'all the description, the link in the description box. And a little Caesar up here, that crooked ass. They so crooked. It make no sense. I went out there to try to go get me one of them lunch specials, and the dude tried to tell me he couldn't give it to me because it was after 2 o'clock. It won't after 2 o'clock. It was like 1:40. So then he was like, well, you know that's just a deep dish, a half of a deep dish, right? I was like, yeah, I know, okay. He was like, well, you want to just get a whole one then? I was like, no. I want what I want. Like, I want the person. It says just me. I just want the person to pay me. Girl, he would say, well, I can give you the whole deep dish, and then you can just pay me in cash. But it gotta be in cash, and I can give you the deal. I was like, what? Exactly. That's what I said too. What?
I can teach you a couple things.
Searching for any answers leading to the whereabouts of 22-year-old
James. After we did this, I did the stand. I went on and decided to only put 2 of the covers on the stand, on the cover up the back, because I didn't know how I wanted to do the back. I decided if I really did want to cover all of them, I would just use a whole board to cover it, and I didn't want it to be brown at all, completely. So after I hammered all these up, and I did 3 of these, like, oh my God, y'all, it was not easy at all. So I did have to have the Lowe's, because I hadn't had the top part yet. Lowe's, and this was the trip. Go ahead, I'm listening. You want to get that bad boy cut? Oh, see, I'm doing it without your face. See, don't even see you.
Good, that'll work.
Whatever.
You be making money off my handsome look.
Okay, whatever. Yo, why he gonna cut that? Look what else I got. Whatever. So we bought another one. So we're gonna put this up somewhere in the house. But he cutting one like this now to go on the side of my tables. On the side of the table. And then y'all, this is gonna be the board. I'm so excited. He's terrible. He better just cut my stuff right. The fantastic people at Lowe's.
If I would have known it was gonna be all this today, I would have made sure I came in with a fresh cut and everything.
All day, y'all gotta check us out. Money Making Monique on YouTube. And we on Instagram and Facebook. We're on all social media. Oh yes, you doing that awesome. Yes, I'm taking all my scraps. Thank you. You are an awesome employee. We went from that big thing for $60 to that for like $20. How much is that right there? That's like 20? Yup. Look, he just saved me. He like Geico. He better than Geico. Yeah, we was over here at first. Look at these prices. This is what we was looking at first. High prices. Dang, where my OG at? Because he ain't show me the good prices. And he not getting that credit. The OG showed me the good credit. Alright, so we on the aisle. He told me, come on. But I don't see nothing. What I'm looking for. You know what? You get on my nerves. You always think somebody's supposed to get somebody's number. Yeah, so I'm on the phone with my best friend and my sister-in-law. And my best friend always trying to tell me to get somebody's number. I'm in here looking for wheels and to make my craft table. And she talking about getting niggas' numbers. Like, don't nobody got time for nobody's number. I can flirt. I love to flirt. I flirt all the time. Yup, I flirt and let them go on about their business. Oh, whoa now. Nobody, ain't nobody taking nothing. Ain't nobody taking nothing. I don't tease. I flirt. Flirt and teasing is two different things. Drop it in the comments if you think flirting and teasing is two different things. Because I think flirting and teasing is two different things. But y'all, I cannot find these wheels. This is the problem. We'll be back. Let me find somebody to help me. We found the wheels. Now I don't know which ones I want. I need long ones, I think. Yeah, I don't know what I'm supposed to be getting. I know I need some. I don't think they supposed to be no bigger than a half an inch though. Oh, I like these. Oh, and they got a thing on. Oh, I like these. Not for no $17 though. God damn, these wheels high. They ain't got no 4-pack. High as the devil. Oh, the cheapest one they got is $6.99. I ain't see no more of these. Let me get these. but I don't see him. Case break. Do you think I need 6? Ooh, y'all, these are real good for a proxy. Man, and I'm tired of them sending me on the wrong aisle. Dang. These men keep sending me on the wrong aisle. I do not see wood glue. These men keep sending me on the wrong aisle. I'm about to flip. Y'all got one job. One job. And that's to send somebody to the right aisle. And they can't even. Yes.
What's the name of it?
Money Making Monique on YouTube. Yes.
Money making.
Money Making Monique.
Money making money.
Yes, on YouTube.
Okay, because I subscribe to a lot of them.
Oh yes, please do subscribe. Look, don't be hating on my slogan. The men see my thing in my hand. Y'all, my camera about to die, and I still ain't found what I'm looking for. So this gonna be the end of our video until I get home. Peace. Oh, and look, y'all, I found the glue. See y'all when I get home.
So I rock his rock necklaces. My daddy Alabama, mama Louisiana. You mix that Negro with that Creole, make a Texas Bama. I like my baby hair with baby hands afro. I like my Negro nose with Jackson 5 nostrils. I earned all this money, but they never take the country out me. I got hot sauce in my bag, so I see it, I want it. I suck yellow on it. I dream it, I work hard, I grind till I own it. I twirl on them, albino alligators. Camino with the filos, and Cuervo and Hotel. I go out, I go out, I go hard, I go hard. Yeah, what's mine? Hey, what's mine? I'm a star, cause I slay, I slay, I slay, I slay, all day. I slay, I slay, I slay, we gon' slay, he slay, I slay, I slay, okay, ladies, now let's get information. I say, true to me, you got some coordination. I say, slay trick or you get eliminated. When he fuck me good, I take his ass to real life. When he fuck me good, I take his ass to real life. If he hit it right, I might take him on the plane on my chopper. Drop him off at the mall, let him buy some J's, let him shop. I might get your song played on the radio station. I might get your song played on the radio station. You just might be a black Bill Gates in the making. I just might be a black Bill Gates in the making. I want it, yellow on it. I dream it, I work hard, I grind till I own it. I twirl on my haters, albino alligators. Camino with the filos, and Cuervo and Hotel. Sometimes I go out, I go hard, I go hard. Hey, what's mine? Hey, what's mine? I'm a star, cause I slay, 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 we gon' slay, he slay, I slay, I slay, I slay,
Okay, so this part right here kind of got on my nerves when I flipped it over. The first part went kind of smoothly. I really didn't have any problems with laying it down. But once I flipped over the board to try to do the wrapping paper, I should have pre-cutted it and then do it. But because of the length and width of the wrapping paper, it didn't cover the whole board in one. So I had to do half and half. So as you can see, it had little wrinkles and everything, and I really didn't. I tried to smooth it out as much as possible, but then I was like, this is going to be the bottom of the table, so it really doesn't matter. But I do recommend that if you are deciding to do a project like this or anything bigger than a normal, I would say pre-cut it first, because I should have pre-cut it. It was giving me hell. I think I even stopped at one time and came back and everything. But nevertheless, I did get the job done, and I'm going to show y'all the finishing touch. Once again, I wish everyone a happy holiday. We have 12 days of till Christmas. Hope y'all finish doing all y'all Christmas shopping. I'm still in the shop getting these Christmas gifts together for everyone before the 25th because Christmas is here. My favorite time of the year. Love y'all always. Stay safe out here in these streets. Always chase that money. Positive vibes always. Until next time. Peace. Alright, y'all. So here go the table. I put it together. And I put a little bit of things just in the cabinet so y'all can see, get a description on how it would be. And then I put my heater and stuff over here. I'm still trying to get this taken care of. Here goes some ornaments that I am working on. For the first time this year, we doing ornaments. We just practicing to see how we do. And then I got some wine glasses on here, and some ornaments that I'm selling. But, and then, so it's coming together. I just wanted to give y'all a little clip. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Always remember, chase that money. Never.